I'm sorry to say this, but if you can't track every sale in your business right now, you're already losing money. You just don't know it yet. Welcome to Vizion Tools. Today, we'll take a quick tour of the sales module in Vizion POS and explore its main sections. Let's begin with the sales module. The first menu you'll see is Quotations, where all the quotations you've sent to your customers are listed. Each quotation displays its reference number, date, customer name, assigned salesperson, and current status. Once the customer approves a quotation, its status is automatically updated from quotation to sales order, turning it into a confirmed order ready for fulfillment. Clapperboard Section 2, Orders. Next is the Orders module. It provides the same options: quotations for price quotations, orders for confirmed sales orders, sales teams for managing your sales teams, and customers for your customer database. This module gives you quick access to the same information, but from an order management perspective. Clapperboard Section 3, To Invoice. Next is the To Invoice module, which includes two options. The first is Orders to Invoice, where you can view all confirmed sales orders that are waiting to be invoiced. The second is Orders to Upsell, which helps you identify opportunities to offer additional products or services to your customers. Section 4. Products. Next is the Products module, which includes 5 options. The first is Products, where you can view and manage your complete product catalog. The second is Product Variants, which displays different variations of each product, such as colors or sizes. The third is Price Lists, where you can create different pricing rules based on customer type, branch, or other pricing policies. The fourth is Discount and Loyalty, which allows you to manage discount programs and customer loyalty rewards. The fifth is Gift Cards and e-wallet, where you can manage gift cards and customize electronic wallets. Clapperboard Section 5, Reporting. Next is the Reporting module, which includes 4 options. The first is Sales, where you can view comprehensive reports on your overall sales performance. The second is Salespersons, which provides detailed reports on the performance of each salesperson. The third is Products, where you can analyze product performance, including your best-selling products. The fourth is Customers, which provides insights into customer activity, behavior, and transaction history. Clapperboard Section 6, Configuration. Finally, we have the Configuration module, the central hub for managing your sales settings. Here, you can configure sales order settings, including delivery methods and document headers and footers, manage product settings such as attributes and categories, set up online payments, and create activity plans for customer follow-ups. And that wraps up our quick tour of the sales module in Vizion Tools. In the upcoming videos, we'll take a deeper look at each section, step by step. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. We'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.